Oh no, it's Friday the 13th. You know what this means? Tomorrow's Saturday the 14th. I need to watch that movie. Lucy is keeping all the riffraff out. There's the riffraff. And we've got an update. A couple of things. Got a new guitar pedal. It's a JHS. That's them. Series 3 reverb. That's it. I played with it for maybe 15 minutes last night. It's pretty good. I like it. Look, there's some carpet on the floor. Look over there too. Not a rug, but carpet. Well, excuse me. Looking up some stuff online, your old pal Jason discovered that I can buy a box of 10 of these squares for about $30. So I bought 2 boxes. It's 10 squares. Each square is 2 by 2. The wall is 5 squares. So 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box. But I didn't do 4 box. Right here, there's no squares. Because I wanted to get in front of the door so it wouldn't catch the edge. So under this rug is all these. They're mismatched. None of them, as far as I've noticed, are the same. We got under the desk, under this thing, out to here. I have one here and one there. So 2 more boxes on the way. Was going to do the bathroom first, but I measured the bathroom. And to do the floor in the bathroom, I would have to cut every single, like, if I do a full row here, I can do a full, then I have to cut and cut. I have to cut the 3rd one because of the toilet, and I have to cut the 4th one because of the wall. Plus, I haven't finished tearing out the thing yet. Oh, speaking of bathroom, I don't have the light right now, but toilet's in, toilet's working, sink's in, secret, the sink is working. Gotta still work on that wall. Yeah. Got this little sheer curtain thing up, not for privacy, just to, kind of separate, which is fine. This is different, you may notice. Got some new stuff for the kitchen in the house. This is what I used to have in the kitchen. It's really kind of a hodgepodge situation. The top is oak. It is oak slats. Came from the grocery store I used to work at. These were our old bakery racks. They were getting rid of them, so I said, I'll take them. So I took them. That's what I do. This leg just does not look straight. Is that leg straight? I can't tell. Anyway, and these, what I'm using for legs, came off a bunk bed. But this was in my kitchen. This was in my kitchen for a long time. Coffee pot, cutting boards, etc., for food prep and stuff. Because one wall in my kitchen has absolutely nothing on it. No cabinets, no counters, no nothing. So, got a cabinet. I was going to actually keep it fit under this because it's a little shorter and it's not as deep. And I would have had to notch out all of that. And there's also a brace in there, and I didn't want to notch that out all the way back and then, lose a lot of our structure. Anyway, so I brought it out here. It is a little shorter this way by about 4 inches than what we were using, but it's about 10 inches deeper this way. I've kept the cabinets underneath for now, and I've kept them all the way back because, same thing, I'd have to take this piece off so they could open, but now they can open and get everything in them. They're good. I've got to reset that 2x4 they're sitting on, though. So, more workspace. Just let me turn it that way. I know the slats are a problem. I'm going to, I'll put a piece of plywood or OSB or something. MDF would even be fine on top of that, so I don't have the holes to worry about dropping parts. Speakers hooked up. Got a 12 volt, 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 That on the computer there is a M2 to USB adapter. And I have that because at the time I'm recording this, I had a hard drive die. And it was a hard drive that had it had Windows on it. Big deal losing Windows, whatever, you reinstall it. It had all my music on it. Big deal. I still have all of that. It's just ripping all the CDs and all that soundtracks over again. Any videos I had recorded that hadn't been edited lived on that hard drive. So it's all my streaming stuff is on that hard drive. So while it's not like life-threatening, life-shattering, it is inconvenient. It's going to take a lot of time to get it put back together. So friend of a friend of a friend of a friend, you know, kind of one of those things, has done some data recovery for the first friend in that list before. So I've been talking to them and they wanted to see, what did you try and what did you use and this and that and the other. So it doesn't sound good because it's solid state. You can't just take, you can't take the platen out and put it in another one and have it work. So maybe screwed there. If so, we'll deal with it. Looking at this, I've got a thought, and I keep putting stuff in the way of my lights, but I almost want to move this like right in the middle so I can hang my guitar strings on it, but I kind of don't. But I really don't like them just being screwed into the wall like that. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I need to take this mic stand and get it back there somewhere, back behind the desk, which means I'll need to pull out the desk that far. Because if the mic stand is behind the desk, ideally in the corner, then I can work with that a little better. So right now it's a little bit of a mess, is what I'm telling you. I need to find another spot for this mic stand bag. I need to sell like 85% of what's in that bag. That would be great. If I could do that, I'd be happy. So this was under the desk. It came out. This was here. It's getting moved. As we continue to go across and fill this in with carpet tiles, I'm going to pull out the AstroTurf and get rid of that. This will probably end up under the drums or in the house. Old chair, new old chair. Got a replacement chair for office. So the old one, not my old one, but the old one came out. It's a little nicer because it's on wheels, but the seat on this one is better. So anyway, it's fine. Just thought I'd do a little update. Don't know when you're going to see this. Don't know when I'm going to be able to edit. Thank God I just recorded, edited, uploaded, and scheduled like 9 more of these. So, and y'all are still watching them. What the hell's wrong with you people? Get out of here. Don't get a life, you weirdos. Anyway. Is my torpedo level in here? Maybe. I need to go through so much of this junk and just sort it. But I also kind of don't want to. What else? Oh, project. That tall, skinny, shiny thing right there is screen fabric. I have a roller here because now that I've got water back in here, it's noticeably more humid in the building. So I want to be able to, while it's nice enough, just open this window just a little bit. So I'm going to redo the screen on that. Never done it before. Should be fine. Ain't worried about it. Excuse me. So, yeah. I know I've said over and over again, if you're going to do stuff like this, do your floor last, but I mean, this is kind of from what I understood by reading the listing, is this is going till it's gone. And got some dimensions for a space this size for pad and carpet, and it's going to be like $800 or $900. And I mean, $75 did almost half. So call it bathroom included, $400 at the most. And I know carpet in the bathroom, that's a terrible idea. You're right, it is. But you know what? These just have tape, like double-sided tape on the back. You peel off 2 little strips and you tape them to the floor. So if one gets really gross, peel it up, get rid of it. And I can probably go to one of the 5 local flooring stores out here and say, I just need one. I don't care what it looks like. If you got one that you can get rid of, sell it to me. I'll give you $5 for it or something, whatever it comes out to be. That's worth it to me. So that's where we're sitting. That's what we're looking at. Trying to get rid of those. I should probably just go through and list mic stands for sale and see if anybody bites. Anyway, you know what I know.